Now at the end of a project, when we come back from on-site fitting, you'll see that the mess behind me here. So we give some time to hygiene, which is basically the same as kitchen tidy up after a meal. Lots of people, the perception might be out there that we just have a dusty, dirty environment in a workshop situation. Nothing could be further from the truth. The workshop environment has to be pristine for every facet of work or every element of work you carry out. So when I finish a particular job, what I normally do is do a good tidy up and make sure everything is back in its place. Chisels that might be dulled from on-site work, there's no point in hanging that back up on a rack and then going to use it again. So these will be re-honed before they go back on the rack. All tools will be resharpened, everything put back in its proper place. Waste pieces that might come from the site, rather than discarding them, I can use them again to maybe do turn stuff on the lathe. So I'll select what's useful to recycle. And everything I have behind me, even shavings here, we turn the shavings, we try to use the shavings to turn them into little logs to actually burn on the fire as fuel. All tools would have to be sharpened, as I say. So that's the general gist of it. So today will be spent just tidying up, putting everything back in its place. And it's like wearing a suit to go to a wedding or a function, that it makes you feel good. So when I start the next project, then I have the workshop environment exactly as I want it.